Now let's look at one of Zen Browser's most useful advanced features. Containers. If you've never used them before, containers are separate browsing sessions inside the same browser. That means you can open the same website in multiple tabs, but each tab can stay logged into a different account. For example, one Gmail tab for personal use, another Gmail tab for work. Normally, most browsers mix all tabs together using the same cookies and login session. Containers solve that problem by keeping selected tabs separated. Think of them like multiple mini browsers running inside one window. This is extremely useful for work, school, client, social media management, and anyone who uses multiple accounts. How to set up containers first. Open Zen Settings. Use the search bar in Settings and type Containers. If your current Zen browser version supports Firefox-style containers, you should see container-related options. Enable containers if the option is available. Then create categories such as work, personal, school, clients, shopping. Some versions may let you choose a color or icon for each one. That helps you recognize them quickly while browsing. Now, when you sign into a website, that login stays inside that container. They won't interfere with each other. Once you get used to them, it's hard to go back to a normal browser setup.